So let me show you how you can create these viral Bible vlog videos that you are currently seeing on YouTube. If you're planning to start making faceless YouTube videos, I believe this is one of the opportunity you can grab now, start making videos on it on YouTube. One thing I like about this video is that they are easy to create with just one prompt and just one AI tool. You can be able to create these videos and upload it on YouTube and start making money with it. Now hold on like this. Let me take you to my computer and show you how you can create this type of videos. Before we get into the video, let me show you a sample video I created with just one prompt and just one AI tool.
What's up, fam? I just woke up in this lit garden with zero stress, and a baddie named Eve just showed up. We're vibing with lions. Life is perfect for now.
Y'all, God told me to build a giant boat. People laughed. Now it's raining like crazy. Animals pulled up 2 by 2. Trust the process.
Pharaoh's army is chasing you and God tells you to raise your staff. I did it and the sea SP lit. Like literally, water walls.
So I hope you like the video you just watched. So the first thing that we'll be needing is our AI tool. For the AI tool, come to your browser and type VEO3 in your search here. I believe you might have heard of VEO3 or you might have used it before. But what will make this video different from what you have watched so far is a prompting. So now, when you type VEO3, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see a lot of options here, but we are going to choose the first one that comes with the Google DeepMind. Just tap on it like this and open in the new tab. Now here you're going to click on Try in Flow. Then go ahead and click on Create with Flow. Here in VEO3, click on Create New Project like this. So this is where we are going to enter our prompt. So before we enter the prompt here, let's go back to my Google Docs and copy one of the prompt that I drafted here. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate our prompt. So here I'm going to enter this prompt in ChatGPT. Give me 30 list of Bible sayings. You're going to hit on the command button and wait for ChatGPT's response. Great, so you can see ChatGPT has given me 30 Bible sayings. Now the next thing we are going to do is to enter our second prompt. Rewrite each scene as a short vlog style script with the main character narrating the event in a Gen Z tone. Okay, we want it to fit into this generation. So what we're going to do is to click on the command button and wait for ChatGPT's response. Now, if you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me, and I'm going to share a link to this prompt with you. Now, you can see ChatGPT has generated the 30 scenes for us. So the next thing we are going to do is to go through the 30 scenes and choose one of them and expand it. So now let's go through it together and then we will know which one we are going to go with. So we have the first one to be the creation of the world. Second one is Adam and Eve. We have the fall of Eve, Cain and Abel, Noah's Ark, the Great Flood, Tower of Babel, Abraham and Isaac, Joseph in the pit, Joseph rises in Egypt, burning bush, Red Sea and Moses, Ten Commandments, David and Goliath, angel visits Mary. So we have up to 30. So what I'm going to do is to choose one of the scenes. I'm going to choose Noah's Ark. That is number 5. So this is the next prompt I'm going to give ChatGPT. Give me a prompt to generate a selfie style video for number 5. Follow the same format as the example below, but keep the original script unchanged. Example. So this example, and what I did was to quote what Noah said here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the command button and wait for ChatGPT's response. So now you can see the response ChatGPT has given me. The next thing I'm going to do is to copy the prompt like this and then go to VEO3. Now this is our VEO3 and enter the prompt here. The next thing we are going to do is to bring our cursor to the top here and click on text to video and choose one of these options here or elements here. So for the element, we are going to choose the text to video, but we also have frames to video. That is if you have an image that you want to convert into a video. But for this particular video, we are only going to convert our text into a video. So we're going to click on text to video. Then you bring your cursor to the right here and click on settings. Then choose one of the outputs. So we have one video generation per time, or 2 or 3 or 4. But remember, if you choose 3, it will take more credit. If you choose 4, it will take more credit. So because we're also on budget, we're going to choose 1 video per time. Now bring your cursor here and choose one of the models. So there are 4 models here. VEO2 fast, that will give you a video without an audio. Then there's also VEO3 fast, that is text to video that comes with an audio. Then we also have the VEO 2 quality that comes with no audio. Then VEO 3 quality that comes with audio. Each of these takes different credits. So when you tap on a VEO 2 fast, it takes 10 credits. Then when you tap on VEO 3 fast, it will take 20 credits. Then when you tap on the VEO 2 quality, that will take 100 credits but with no audio. Then VEO 3 quality will take 100 credits with an audio. So because we have VEO 3 fast that comes with an audio, we will choose the VEO 3 fast and take less credit, that's 20 credits. Then hit on the command button. So let's wait for the outcome of this video. Alright, so our first video is ready. Let's see how it looks first before we will continue generating the rest of the videos.
Oh, God told me to build a giant boat. People laughed. Now it's raining like crazy. Animals pulled up 2 by 2. Trust the process.
Okay, so let's try the second prompt. We are going to try scene 13. So what we are going to do is to copy this prompt. This is our prompt. We're going to copy it first and paste it here. So the next thing we are going to do is to edit the number here. Just edit the number here, and then ChatGPT will be able to follow the example it gave you earlier on for scene 13. So let's hit on the command button and see what we are going to get. Okay, so now we're going to copy this prompt and then go back to VEO 3. Just right click on it like this and click on copy. Then let's go back to VEO 3 and paste the prompt here. Now we're going to click on the command button. So like I said, if you want me to share the prompt with you, go to the comment section and type share the prompt with me, and I'm going to share a link to this prompt with you. Now you can see our next video is ready. Let's see how it came out.
Pharaoh's army is chasing you and God tells you to raise your staff. I did it and the CSP lit. Like literally, water walls. Pharaoh's army is chasing you and God tells you to raise your staff. I did it and the CSP lit. Like literally, water walls.
So this is the outcome of the video. So now let's try the last one, and I think I'm in love with the story of Adam and Eve. So let's try Adam and Eve and see. So this is the story of Adam and Eve. That is 2. So we are going to paste the prompt here again and then change the number here, the 13 to 2, and then hit on the command button and wait for the next prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt again and then go back to flow and paste it here. Then we are going to hit on the command button and wait for the next generation. So I believe in all the prompts that I've used in this particular video in my Telegram community. If you want to have access to it, the link will be in the pinned comment section of this video and also in the description section of this video. Just click on it to have access to all the prompts that I use in this particular video and other previous prompts that I've used on this channel. They are all there in my Telegram community. So this is the outcome of the third video. Let's see how it looks first.
What's up, fam? I just woke up in this lit garden with zero stress, and a baddie named Eve just showed up. We're vibing with lions and naked. Life is perfect for now.
Great. So I hope you see how easy it is to create this type of videos. What do you think about creating this type of videos and monetizing it on YouTube? Do you think it's something that you can easily start? Let me know that in the comment section. If you're already into it, so go ahead and share your experience with us in the comment section. So when you're done creating this video, the next thing you're going to do is to download this video to your computer and organize it with your editing app. So now bring your cursor to the top here and click on the download button here. Now there are 3 options here. The first option is to download it in animated GIF format or original size, or upscale it before you download it. So I'm going to choose the original size so that when I'm exporting it using my editing app, I can upscale it. Now I'm going to also do the same thing to the second one. Just bring your cursor to the top here and click on one of the options. So I'm going to go with the original size. Then also do the same thing for the third or the first animation or video I created. In my previous video, I showed you how you can have access to VEO 3 all for free. That video will pop up after watching this video. Watch that video from the beginning to the end because I've discussed how you can have access to VEO 3 all for free in that video. Click on it. I'm going to see you in the next video.